Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz Channel. Imagine a motorcycle that perfectly blends timeless retro charm with cutting-edge modern performance. That's exactly what the new 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS Special Red Edition delivers. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a rolling masterpiece inspired by the legendary 1970s Z1, now reborn with a fiery new attitude. This Special Red Edition isn't only about color. It's about passion, precision, and the kind of craftsmanship that makes every ride unforgettable. From the moment you see it, you know it's something truly special. The first thing that grabs your attention is that deep, lustrous candy red finish, a color that radiates both nostalgia and boldness. Kawasaki has gone all out on the details. Chrome accents, vintage-inspired round LED headlamp, classic teardrop fuel tank, and a perfectly sculpted tail section. But look closer, and you'll find subtle modern touches. A fully digital instrument cluster cleverly designed to mimic analog gauges, and precision paintwork that reflects light like liquid metal. It's a machine that looks vintage but feels futuristic. Beneath the retro exterior beats the heart of a modern powerhouse. The 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers an exhilarating 110 horsepower and 72.3 lb-ft of torque, tuned to offer smooth yet thrilling acceleration across all gears. The sound, it's pure symphony, deep, throaty, and emotionally charged. Kawasaki's engineers have fine-tuned the exhaust to capture the essence of the original Z1 roar while meeting modern emission standards. Whether you're cruising city streets or tearing up winding backroads, the Z900RS responds with razor-sharp precision. This is where modern technology quietly enhances the retro spirit. The bike comes equipped with Kawasaki traction control, KTRC, assist and slipper clutch, and adjustable suspension for a ride that's both stable and spirited. The lightweight trellis frame improves handling, offering a perfect balance between agility and comfort. The Special Red Edition also includes upgraded Brembo brakes and Öhlins rear suspension, ensuring confidence under any condition. It's a bike that wants to be pushed, but rewards you with total control. Despite its sporty DNA, the Z900RS doesn't sacrifice comfort. The ergonomic upright seating position, wide handlebars, and plush seat make it ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The balance between performance and comfort is remarkable. Every curve, every shift, every acceleration feels natural and intuitive. Riders often describe it as effortlessly engaging, a motorcycle that seems to connect directly with your soul. Now, here's the surprising part. For all the style, power, and engineering brilliance, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS Special Red Edition comes with a price tag starting around $13,499. Considering its premium features and exclusive paint scheme, that's impressive value. You're not just buying a motorcycle, you're owning a piece of living history reimagined for the modern era. It's the kind of bike that turns heads wherever it goes, not because it tries too hard, but because it's effortlessly iconic. In a world filled with aggressive super-naked bikes and high-tech machines, the Z900RS Special Red Edition stands out as a soulful blend of old-school design and new-age performance. It's not built to chase trends, it's built to remind us why we fell in love with riding in the first place. Every time you twist the throttle, it whispers stories of the past while delivering the thrill of the present. This is more than a motorcycle. It's an emotion on two wheels, a tribute to heritage, reborn in red.